I'm Joshua Brogden, owner of Extreme Clean Auto Detailing.
I'm Amber Brogden, owner and COO of Extreme Clean Auto Detailing.
I started Extreme Clean, me, my mom, and my brother, in the back of my mom's two-car garage. Got out there a little bit, was able to make enough money to get a building. It just started growing. We did great work, great customer service, high integrity, and it spread like wildfire.
Our specific mission is to be able to provide excellent customer service and detailing to your working professional. But most people have 9-to-5 jobs, or just in this age of concierge type services, they don't have time to do it, but they want it done. So allowing you to do it easily. We can pick up your car while you're at work, take care of the detail, and bring it back to you. Our vision is to be able to instill values into our employees to exhibit the excellence in the community.
The way we impact our community is we hire those that are hard to employ. Whether it's a single mom, they can't find daycare or something like that, or even felons. We vet everyone, bring them in, and we give them a trade. We teach them how to detail cars. But more than that, we give them love. Where I was raised, it was rare for another man to hug you and say, I love you, because a lot of us didn't have dads. And I show that love to every single one of my guys, you know. And we're not just giving them money, but we're teaching them life and ways to deal with situations. We make them a better person. It's much bigger than detailing. You know, we're phenomenal at what we do, but we're even greater at what we do for our community.